Now we will move on to the next topic, that is nothing but a loops. Loops are nothing but a continuous operation. There are two major type of the loops we will find. One is a while loop, it is called as a continuous loop. Okay, second one is a for loop. For loop is nothing but a iterator loop. How they functions we will discuss in detail. As I said, while loop is a continuous loop. Continuous loop means unless and until the condition is not satisfied, till that it will keep on running. The till it condition is satisfied, it will keep on running the loop and it will function. When it will interpret, either you need to break yourself manually or that condition has to be dissatisfied. For example, I say I is equal to 0. This simple example I take. Okay, one variable I taken, the number I is equal to 0. I start with a 0. I say while loop, I'm calling while I is less than 5, okay, or less than or equal to 5, less than or equal to 5, until this, and always as a if statement, loops also end with a colon. Okay, end with a colon, then only it will execute, otherwise it will say error if you are not put any colon. So it will be end with a colon. Okay, once it has been said, and here also indent is there, we will not be able to start last line immediately below. We'll have one tab space, or you can just enter automatically, one tab space will be added. If it is less than or equal to 5, means 5 times I need to print something, so I say print welcome to Finacle. Okay, if I execute now, you can see is keep on running, because I is keep on 0 only, right? Is not at all changing, right? It's keep on running because continuous it is. First it check I is 0. Okay, I is a 0. 0 is less than 5. Print. Again it check I still it is 0. 0 is less than or equal to 5. Yes, print. It will keep on printing unless you break here. Okay, kernel we I will go and will interrupt the kernel. Unless and until that it will keep running. Okay, how can I avoid this one? Once I've been printed that, what I would like to do, I would like to increase the I value. Either you can write like this, I equal to I plus by 1 increment. If I like to do I plus 1, like this also you can write, or I can write I plus equal to 1, both are same. Okay, I plus equal to 1 means I equal to I plus 1, or I equal to I plus 1 also we can write. Now if I check, you can see it repeated 5 times and my loop has been broken. It checked that I is 0, yes, 1 time it printed, then I has been increased to 1. 1 is less than, yes, it will be printed. I is increased to 2. 2 then printed. 3 printed. 4 printed. 5 printed. When it become a 6, is no more it is satisfying, so we can say yes, we have been completed. In case I would like to write that statement also, means once we have been done, then I can say else. Okay, if loop is completed, then what to be, I say print done with the loop. Okay, like this I can say, like done with the loop at the end, means all these conditions are satisfied, then it will execute the else statement. Okay, in between I can break the loop also. I can break the loop also. For example, same thing I will take in a other way. Okay, I just want to say that I is equal to 0 and I less than or equal to 5, I will check. But I would like to break in between, like when if I is equal to 3, when it becomes 3, I just wanted to break. Then I say break the loop. Now you can see it's broken. So it did not came here because I was 0, then executed, then incremented to 1, then it checked, yes, I is not equal to 3, so went back to the loop. I is equal to 1, again printed second time, then I has been increased to 1, so I become now 2. 2 is not equal to 3, again it went printed third time, I is increased to 3. If 3 is equal to 3, yes, that is true, then it will break the loop. Okay, like this we can break the loop also in between. Okay, by using some if condition we can break the loop also. In the sense, while loop mainly used when you like to do something continuously. Okay, you like to repeat something continuously, like you would like to keep this camera on till you press escape. Okay, those situations we use a while loop. When we go with computer vision, no, that particular time we use this while loop. Even in a try exception block, when we write that particular time also, for the example, I need to take some input. Then also we use this while loop. We will show that where exactly we apply a while loop also. This is a basic panda of the while loop. Like first it check the condition. If condition is satisfied, it will do that activity. Okay, if condition is not satisfied, then it will break the loop. In case intentionally you break, by using a if condition you can break the loop in between also. Okay, like I just want to say continue also we can use. Okay, continue also we can do, means it will keep continuing and it will break the loop once it has been done. Okay, we can use a continue also. If it is true, then also continue we can say. Okay, like this the loops are working. Like we can break the loop, or we can continue the loop, or we can interrupt the loop in between. Okay, we can print anything we can do by using while loop. In next session, the one more important loop we are going to discuss, that is nothing but a for loop.